Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the battery drain on your ALCATEL 3. So first, what we want to do to fix the battery drain is to enable the battery saver in the settings. So open up the settings. Now here we need to go over and scroll a bit down until we see the Smart Manager. Now here, let's click on the battery, and right here you guys can choose the power plan and you can choose between normal or super saving mode. So I always use the normal one when my battery is at 20%, or if it's at 10 or 5 and I really need my phone, then I use the super saving mode. So that's how you guys can use it. Now what you guys can do next is go over, leave those settings right here and go to the display. So you guys can either enable adaptive brightness or lower the brightness by yourselves. It should help a lot. And I use the adaptive brightness now, but you guys can also disable it and change the brightness level manually. So now after that, what you guys can do is disable the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location when you're not using it. So I need the Wi-Fi and I need the location. It's all right here as you guys can see, but I do not need Bluetooth, so Bluetooth is disabled for now. But if you let's say go to sleep, you disable the Wi-Fi, you disable location and Bluetooth. So you guys can save your battery that way. Now what else can you guys do is update your software to fix any battery related bugs. So go over to settings and scroll a bit down until you guys see the system. Now here in the system, click on system updates and click check for updates now. As you guys can see, it may either take a while or you should need to click again. And as you guys can see, my system is up to date. So if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.